Family, good morning. Welcome back to another day, right? Today I have Pops in the kitchen with me, and Marlon is behind the camera, and I'm going to be making a nice dish today. I'm making some mackerel, salt mackerel, with mozzarella yam, some green banana, and cornmeal dumpling, and 2 sweet potato. And this is what we're going to be having today, right? It's not a rundown today. It's just cook up with mackerel, cook up with onion and tomato and pepper. Nice. So just stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. Right now here's my mackerel. And I soak out my mackerel overnight. What I am doing now, I put a piece of scallion and a piece of pepper and a piece of garlic into the pot, right? And I'm scalding off the mackerel into it with all that flavor coming up into it. Give me a few pimento green, honey. Oh. All this flavoring will be coming up into the mackerel. We're not going to just scald it off with water alone. We have a piece of scotch in the water, and we have a piece of scallion and a piece of garlic into it. So we're seasoning up the mackerel while it's scald off. And this is 6 mackerel. We're going to take some of this mackerel water here to put into water in the pot to cook with food with it. You know, when you say with food, with yam and dumpling and banana, that's how we say with food. So, to flavor it up. So it's going to be nice. When you taste it, if is the salt coming up into it, I don't think it would have much salt, no. Boy, right here, the scotch bonnet pepper. So this is boiling into the fish. Nice. I'm going to tip a little salt into my flour and my meal. Yeah. Okay. Making up some nice cornmeal dumpling. You remember them old time days saying, cornmeal dumpling kill a nigger man? Them used to say it. That's what them always say. Right? And you remember it, honey? Ah, yes, in my days, that's what them used to say. Because them never used to love flour dumpling. Everything them have to put cornmeal in it. My father don't eat flour without cornmeal in it. And me love my cornmeal in my flour too. Around half of the water. All right. Put it back on the stove, yes. Turn on that stove now.
So turn off your light.
Turn it off.
Turn it up.
Off. Okay, so what we're going to do now, honey, taking out the ferment out of this water. We're going to put the dumpling them in here now. Good. Take that off and put it over there, honey. Pot with the fish, yes. And open it. Wait just a minute. No. Take up the cover. Take up this honey, one by one, and make them stay right in here to cool down, so we can pick them up. Don't throw away the water, just in case I need the water. Let them cool off. Take your time and do that while I put in my dumpling. I'll make them flatten, nice and flat. We're still making up some dumpling, and Pops is going to peel the yam. In the meantime, we're just waiting on the mackerel to cool down, And both of us is gonna pick it up. Get a pan for the pot, I mean for the food. A pudding pan. Some nice cornmeal dumpling here. And if you notice, them not little, big cornmeal dumpling. Mozilla yum. Who remember that yum? Leave it in my comment, please. It's a nice soft, dry soft yum.
Mine it those days, rent a yam.
Yeah, but rent a yam honey is a little bit coarser, right?
Coarser.
Yes.
Skin coarse.
Yes, yes. But this is a nice eating yam because we eat it all the time.
And that nice with this here mackerel.
Oh, yes. Wrap it in there, yes. Nice with it.
So did you guys, in where you're from, Pops, did you guys used to plant this yam or no?
My brother usually plant it. And Fridays we go, the bush go help him reap it.
Oh, how you get to the bush?
Donkey.
See?
With the hamper, we call it grill.
You call it what we need?
We call it the grill.
What, the hamper?
We call it, yes.
Oh.
Most people call it hamper, carry water. But our one was planted with grease.
Really?
We call it the grill.
All right, friends. Wanna see where my husband coming from?
Real country.
From donkey days, him a ride donkey go a bush. Right? And him carry the food in a the donkey.
The whole of the 50s, donkey riding. 60s, we don't really do on the donkey riding.
Yes.
And I start learn trade them time.
Yeah. Me go up on donkey one time, me ride donkey, but I beg for a ride and then put me on the donkey and lick the donkey back and he run with me. Carry me go drop me out in a one man ripe banana ground where him have them on a banana trash a ripe. Right? Never know how to stop the donkey. Oh, so me get right on donkey back to, but me feel it the worst way. Yes, but my honey used to ride donkey go a bush,
Oh, yes.
go dig yam, and carry it home.
You see a road that carry cost 7 pint.
Good. Nice. Get the bananas ready here. You have to be careful how you do this, you know. Else you cut off your hand if you don't know what you're doing.
So this yam don't scratch your hands, Mom. Like
You have to know how to handle it.
But your hands in the water, don't scratch
No, you don't trouble yourself.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Don't trouble you that way there. No, honey, we not go get that. So nobody think all planted that. Alright, you see when the water, when you wash the yam now and you throw it, it come in like it a turn gel and the starch into it, you know, you want to wash off that. Some people don't wash them yam. Them just get a piece of cloth and then just hold the yam on it and peel it. See it here now, me now. Banana pot ready. Just drop it in there, but they don't take no time to cook. Soon as the water boil over on them ready. Could have did all put in the banana first. But me going to help Pops peel the banana them. What you say now? What you want with me? You did want me? You sure? All right, Pops. See it? You peel banana on one side. Go on.
It's only like a bumpy we always have for. I think what bumpy we call him.
Where? Which one?
When we live in.
Oh, bumpy banana. Yes, but what happened to the, remember the big frog banana where we did have in the
Oh,
yard?
that's one, that's what
Oh,
not
yes.
Not a height again.
Oh, you're yes. It must have about 15 hana banana. I know the wheelbarrow them come, lift it, put it in, wheel it, go to gate, go put it in the van. Yeah. Yeah, man. A Fege guy named did help hide.
Fege.
No, Fege. Where was the guy name again? The one we catch crab on sailway. I don't remember.
The Indian?
No. A two brother of them.
I don't know which one that.
I miss that's a two nephew. Alright, I don't want to call people name. You don't know the sweet potato them, the two of them? Nice. Get them hot now. We done peel banana now. Get these ready and then we can start picking up the. Well, no, we don't want that. We have the mackerel water.
That thing has life. You know, sell banana by the bunch of market.
They must sell banana by the pound.
By the pound.
Can you believe it? In my days,
Sorry.
them sell banana by the dozen. Banana. Putting in the green banana. So everything is going to pretty much cook at the same time. Nice. Real. All right, and this is my 2 sweet potato. Isn't there a green planting over there somewhere on?
Yes.
Pops love that. Yes, Lord. Picking out some of the bone out of the mackerel here. Some of them we will pick out. Some of them we're not going to pick out. Nice. Because we don't want it mush up. And you know that in my days, my friends and my family, and we never used to scrape off this part of the mackerel, you know. You didn't know that? We never used to scrape off this part of the mackerel. The back part of it. But nowadays, we take out everything because I just follow fashion, you know, we see people that do it. But we never used to do it.
No need to come off.
No, you don't need to come off, but them are going to say, Auntie Pauline, why you never scrape off the back of the mackerel?
But that girl knows how mackerel that. But
See
just
it?
leave out, that's they don't know is what.
Yeah, well. See it, my lovely people. Let me just scratch it off. And, you see, and there it is again too. My friends and family, we used to have boss mackerel at Jamaica because our mackerel was red. Red and pretty in the pickle barrel. Remember it? Yes. Nice and red and pretty. But we don't have them things again. Then once upon a time, them talk about say saltpeter no good for you. And that's why them not putting up saltpeter upon the pigtail them anymore. And upon the mackerel them. But me live can't eat so much I eat. And my grandmother them and everything like that. But then say saltpeter, me take out some of them fish and mackerel head too. That was my favorite part on the mackerel too, you know. The head part of the mackerel. You couldn't fool yourself and take away the mackerel head. Hey! That would be war. All for my father. Turn it down, honey. Don't trouble the mackerel head. All my mother too. The sweetest part of the mackerel that you know. You did love mackerel head, honey? Huh. Alright, me not bother take out all of them though. Me go save two. For me and you. Here?
We never throw away nothing off of mackerel.
Yeah, but them the days was the days only when we used to get everything nice and fresh and whole heap of pepper and tomato. It have to have tomato. Huh. Run down or no run down? When you run down mackerel, you have to make sure you run go one tomato tree. And tomato dip on it because you can't cook mackerel without tomato. It never tastes good. And pepper. Pepper.
Oh, pepper those days was just bird pepper.
Yes. But then carry a flavor. Oh. See mackerel here.
That's good.
You want, Pop say, that's good. All right. For this one iron on my pot, that's what Pops want. And I will give my husband whatever he asks for. Not true?
I mean, you don't eat mackerel too often.
Eh?
You don't eat mackerel too often, so.
Yeah. We don't eat mackerel all the time, so. Pick out the mackerel?
Eat saltfish.
No, me think I cameraman a sneak out the mackerel round it. But him so funny, I know everything he eat. Give him one big old steak. Father alone, Lord with no other. You will make a man bite in tongue.
The lad and market have
Hey, honey. You know what say, you see? You see an idea? When we are cook all them pot, yeah? Pass one cup, let me drink one cup hot water, half a cup of, you remember, you used to do it?
No, me. My brother used to do that.
You never used to drink one cup of hot water? Part of your life done for.
Hot water we drink is the fish.
And then when you do it, you put all when you cook callaloo. And 2 grain of susumba. Oh, Jesus. At that time it's nice. I just take out 1 cup and drink like hot water. Who used to do that? Put it in a comment and let me see how much we are go way back there and do that. Because me used to do it and enjoy it. That's why me tell you, say, me going on my old days, school days with them things here. Yeah. Yes, of course. Honey?
Yes.
Cut up the onions. I need another big onion, please. In the meantime, I'm doing this. Alright, let me taste if in here. So I have a lot of salt. All right, popsicle. I cut up the seasoning. What me going to take it over from him. All right. One of this. Want some more garlic. More scallion, more garlic, honey. Going to pour some oil in the pot now. The cameraman rush in. So. Look into my pot to see if it's nice. steaming in nicely. Let me get my fork. And I'm going to try my yam. It's getting there, see it? Yes. My sweet potato. Want to steam in a little bit more. And my banana. I drop them down in the water some more. Nice. All right. In a few minutes, that will be ready. This here's pepper. This I have to have pepper. Putting in my onion. I'm going to put in the scallion and the garlic. And tomato. Wash off the wash off that. Putting in some tomatoes and a piece of the Scotch bonnet pepper. Put up pepper right here for the pepper. like a piece of sweet pepper. The red one. And some it should be so. Like a piece of green sweet pepper. I'm going to put in a little black pepper in here. I'm going to put in a chunks of paprika in there. And I'm going to put in the mackerel and just cover it down. Untuk plant more tomato, sure, aku untuk mackerel na. Then just put one more focus on. Put in a bit of paprika. Turn it down a little bit more. No. And just can put into it now. Nice salt mackerel. Turn on the stove now. No. Make it simmering. Alright, let me wipe off the stove right here. Don't like some stove dirty. Nice. And my yam cook and my banana cook. Hold on, let me do something. I have to do something nice right here, so. Don't know who used to do it. I love to do it. We're making a little gravy for the food, but instead of you pour the water in there, you use some of the hot water to boil it down into. Nice. pot over here. So we're just waiting for this to simmer in now. And you know, I'm gonna take for this a little chunks of butter. Man, oh man. Pepper, flavor, not salty. I know what I have, you know. My friends, I have a handful of susumba that I'm going to put in my own. What about that? Sure, we're pups. Every night butter pan. Man, nice you for it. Man, so good. Thank you all my friends for watching this video, right? This is where we reach in there. So Pops is going to do a part of it, and then I am waiting for my friend to come in and he's going to do the rest of it for me. So just blessings, and here we are where we reaching it, and you know it is delicious. This is a wonderful pot of salt mackerel with soft yam and dumpling, green banana, plantain and sweet potato. What else can you ask for? Thank you. See, nice. This is what my mackerel with onion and tomatoes and peppers cook up and look like, right? And this is the food pot, dumpling, yam, sweet potato, soft yam, banana and plantain. See there? Nice. So I'm going to make a plate for Pops and a plate for myself now, and then we're going to sit and enjoy our mackerel with our food. So stay tuned. This, and if Pops want more, he can come and help himself. Wow. He say want a mackerel eye. So me I give him a mackerel eye. See Tessa? See mackerel eye, I look back for me there, so. Nice. Okay, and I am going to be doing my plate now. Let's see if I find my head too. Alright, me no want bother my gill too much, you know, cause hear me, piece of soft yam, piece of sweet potato, and a piece piece of green banana. All right. Cover the pot, please. Some more fish head here. Okay. Okay, my friends and family. Today is, like I tell you, it's another lovely day. And we have this nice dish here. It's not every day we eat mackerel. When we get it, we do appreciate it. Right? So we have some mackerel and sweet potato, yam dumpling, and banana, and pops of plantain. Right? So we're going to give God thanks. Right? And we're going to come back and ask you all, please, to share up our video and to like it up, you know, and continue to pray for us and bless us. So we're going to bow our heads. Father Jesus, for what we're about to receive, we want to give you so many thanks, Lord. Bless and guide and protect us, and let this be of great nourishment to our bodies. In Jesus' name I ask. Amen. Oh. Let me taste my mackerel first. Man, and it's not salty. Nice. This is so nice. Delicious. Just right.
It tastes good one.
Thank you all so much. Bye. This is 5 pounds of goat meat. Ram goat meat. Cut into nice cut bonnet pepper.
When did you start cooking?
When I was a young girl. We are going on a hayride today. And I met her here last week, and we became friends since then.
Aunty Pauline, you're to a brass.